Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by pairing your AirPods to the PC and selecting the right Bluetooth profile. This matters because hands-free profile gives a mic but lower fidelity. Once paired, open sound settings and set the AirPods as the default playback, and if using its mic, the default recording device. Make sure sample rate matches OBS 44, 1 or 48 kHz. If you want higher audio quality for capture, plan to use stereo output and route mics separately. Do that next. Next, add the actual OBS sources. Create an audio output capture for system sound and an audio input capture for the mic. If your AirPods connect as stereo only, use a virtual cable or voice meter to route system output into OBS. This preserves quality. If you use the AirPods mic via hands-free, add it as an input device and mute system monitoring to avoid loops. Once added, open Advanced Audio Properties to set sync offset and choose Monitor Off or Monitor and Output as appropriate. Finish by balancing levels in the OBS mixer. Lower desktop audio versus mic so speech stays clear, and add filters like noise suppression and a compressor to the mic track. Then do a short recorded test and listen for sync, dropouts, or low mic quality. Adjust offsets and monitoring until tight. If you hit problems, no mic or stuttering, restart Bluetooth, toggle Windows default devices, reinstall the driver, or use a USB Bluetooth adapter or wired headset as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.